it, Ethan. All American build. Here we are, guys. We're putting the disc brakes on. We're putting the tires on. This car has been sitting for years, guys, in South Dakota. You just need 5, son. Okay. Glorious moments coming together. Yeah, why don't you just, yeah, you're doing great. Thank you. It looks good, son. Right on. Ethan's just been working his little tail off. Okay, let's go ahead and get a 4-way when you get time, and let's see if we can tighten that up. Right on. That rear end is so darn heavy. I'm just so glad we got tires. Oh yeah, we're waiting on the calipers. We don't got the calipers yet. These kits that you can get from Speedway are very, very nice. Everything is so smooth. Everything is so goes together. Even when it looks like it doesn't, it still goes together really nicely. They're very, very pleasant to work with. Awesome, awesome, guys. All American build. Have a great day. Hopefully we'll have this in. Get the driveline custom fitted probably Thursday or Friday. We'll see. Right on, guys. Keep on clicking. Thanks. Bye.